995.
On the 22nd of June 2023, in Strathpine, North Brisbane, officers were responding to a report of a 3-vehicle crash on Gympie Road.
158, no it's not 158, 1358, 22.6, 23, Gympie Road, southbound, coming to Sansa Road intersection, reports of a 3-vehicle TA. It's come through as injury and possibly UIL. I don't have anything further to elaborate on regarding that as to why that's the case, but we shall see. It's fighting through traffic now to get there.
A firefighter informs the officer that the driver who caused the accident was extremely intoxicated and had been threatening bystanders. The driver was later identified as Curtis Owen, 25 years old. Later, he recorded a blood alcohol concentration, or BAC, of 0.18, more than 3 times the legal limit in Queensland.
Hey man, what's going on?
I've got an extremely intoxicated and aggressive guy over here in the grey. He's caused the accident, so he's the one coming this way. He's running into 2 cars, but he's threatening all these bystanders and
Awesome.
our guys as well.
Might
Still
get enough-
drinking out of a bottle now.
Oh, great. Thanks, man.
Moments before the accident, Owen drove erratically through a traffic light intersection, crashing into oncoming traffic that was queued. During his court appearance regarding this incident, Owen's legal counsel stated that he had been drinking heavily following the death of a friend.
Oh, no, I'll grab my special ones. Thanks, Bryce. Awesome. Just what I wanted to change the shift, mate.
The officer approached Owen's wrecked vehicle to find him clinging to a wine bottle. Despite the officer's orders to let go, Owen refused. The officer then punched Owen in an attempt to take the bottle away from him.
None of five.
He's gone back into the car.
Bottle, mate. Bottle. Give me the bottle, mate. Give me the bottle. 995. Stay in the car, mate.
During the struggle, Owen kicked the officer's body-worn camera, dislodging it from his head.
Stay in the car, mate. Stay in the car. 995, another code urgent, please. Stay in the car, mate. You're under arrest for driving on. Stay in the car, mate. Stay in the car. 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 Stay in the car, mate. Don't obstruct me. You're under arrest, okay, for driving in UIL. My name's Senior Constable for Pirates High. Stay in the car, mate. You're under arrest. Stay in the car. Listen to me. Don't you touch me, mate.
I need his pants.
Stay in the car, bro. Hey, don't you move, alright? Hey! Stay in the car, like taser! Get away, get away, get away.
Tase me!
Stay back, mate. Taser!
I need his pants!
Stay back, mate.
I need his pants! I need his pants! I need his pants!
Thanks.
I need
Stay there, mate. Don't move. Stay in the car.
Mate, I
Stay in the car, mate. Don't move. Stay in there.
need his pants!
Stay in there, mate.
He's my dead best friend!
Stay in there. Don't you spit at me either, boy.
I'll spit on you.
Stay in-
You're a
Stay in the car, mate.
Stay
in the car. Stay in the car, sir. Stay in the car.
Just shoot it. Just
Stay
shoot
in the
it.
car, mate. I
Just
don't want to
shoot it.
tase you. Stay in
Just
there.
shoot it.
Stay in there.
Just shoot it.
The officer deployed his taser after Owen attempted to exit the vehicle.
Stay in there, mate.
Just give me my best mate's pants. Please.
I'll help you out. Just stay in the car, bloke.
All I ask.
Taser! 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 Stay there. Don't move, mate. Stay down.
I need my best mate's pants.
Stay down, sir.
All I need is my best mate's pants.
Stay down.
All I need is my best mate's pants.
Stay down, mate.
All I need is my best mate's pants.
Taser. Stay down, mate. I will help you. Just stay there.
Okay, help
You
me.
cannot move, sir.
I won't move.
Please
I
stay
need
there,
my
mate.
best friend's special prayer.
We will help you out. Okay?
Well,
Just
look
stay
at the
there.
back. Just look at the
Do
back.
not move.
Mate, do you think your electrocution works? Do you think your electrocution
Stay there,
works?
mate, please.
Mate, I'll that thing for your Oh, sir, I'm knocking the you're the pigs. You're the
Sir,
dogs.
you're under arrest, mate.
You're the dogs.
Don't come towards me, please, sir. Shut off that fucking traffic,
Mate,
mate.
I'll unrest that
Don't do that, mate.
man.
Don't do that, sir. Just stay there, please, mate.
Can I leave?
No, we will help you. Don't move. Stay in the car, mate.
I
Stay
will
in the
stop.
car.
I will stop.
Stay in the car, mate. Please sit down for me, please. Sit down. What's your name, mate?
My name is Curtis. All my best friends is died.
Okay. Sit there until we get some help, okay, boy? Hey, mate. Watch your feet, feet.
I don't care about my feet. I get
Hey, settle down, mate. Just deal with me, boy.
knocked about.
Got someone else coming.
You got something else.
Stay there,
You want
mate.
to show something else.
Stay there.
You want to show something else.
Please stay, bloke.
I'll show you something else. I aim him. Shoot me right now.
I don't want him, mate. Definitely don't
Shoot
want him.
me. I'll rip him out right now.
Mate, you don't want to do that, bloke.
Oh yeah, shoot me. Perfect.
I don't want to do any of that, bloke.
You already dog me in the face a million times. Can you please go in and get my pen?
Mate, we'll help you out as much as we can. Just settle down, bloke. Stay there, mate. Stay there. Please. No. Don't stand up. Don't stand up. Stay in the car. Stay in the car, please, mate.
I won't attack you.
Stay in the car.
I just
Stay in the
want to
car.
make sure my point is. I just want to make
Mate,
sure.
no. Just go. Stay in the car, mate, please.
Can I please hear the phone's call?
No. Just stay there, mate. Please stay there.
I'll go back into the car.
Stay there, mate.
Stay there, mate. Come here.
Yeah, mate, I just want to hear my fifth. She's calling me, my missus. Okay?
Hands where you can stand for your hands.
He's already been tasered once.
Mate, my missus
Put
is
your hands
calling.
out.
All right, mate. We're going to arrest you, okay?
Mate, put
Oh,
your
you're
hands
going to
out.
arrest me.
Hands out.
Hands out, mate. Please, hands out, bloke.
Hands out.
Hands out, please, mate. Guys, he's really raised as well. Just out.
Tase me. Oh,
Mate, let's go.
Put your hand out.
Hands out for us, please, mate.
Pause.
No. Let's go.
What are you
We will figure that out. We've got to get...
I don't know.
Listen! What are you going to do with the car?
I don't know.
Car. What are you going to do with the car?
Your phone
my missus is trying to hit me.
Mate, we will get you out of the car and then we will get your phone.
And we'll call the missus.
Take a breath for us, put your hands out for us.
Hands out.
Put your hands out for us and we will get your phone, okay?
Your hands
behind your back, mate. Nice and easy, nice and calm, there we go.
Don't clap it too hard. I'm in a lock. I am in a news.
Owen would be treated for his injuries by ambulance and was later formally charged. During a search of Owen's vehicle, police uncovered 400 diazepam pills and 4 vials of steroids. The officer who punched Owen in this incident is currently under investigation by the Ethical Standards Command of the Queensland Police Service. Curtis Owen was charged with resisting a public official, under the influence, obstructing police officer ×2, serious assault of a police officer, biting, spitting and kicking, possession of a dangerous drug ×2, and possession of hazardous materials or poisons. Owen pleaded guilty and was sentenced to 15 months imprisonment. However, the sentence was suspended and he was granted immediate parole. Thanks for watching.